Alright everybody, David Clubs here in front of the Regulator plant in Edenton. Bright sunny day out, here with our cameraman Bobby. We're going to show you how to put the curtains up on a 34, a brand new boat about to ship next week, so first of the week. So usually we lay all the curtains out because heat's your friend on this, because it'll become more pliable and expand a little bit. Always start with this first triangle panel here. Notice there's a zipper along the top edge, and there's welting to go in the tracks that we put in the frame, and there's tracks on the T-top. So first step, take this top zipper off and this welting here, and you're going to look at the end of it, and the tighter this sewing is around it, the longer this is going to last and the easier it's going to be to put it up. So always take care to keep this from unraveling, and the best way to do it is to gently feed it into the track. And so I don't know, Bob, if you can see this up here, this is the track this slides into. Nice and gentle, slide it in, and make sure it's smooth, keeps the debris out. And same thing here, we got track here, and this track, this powder coated track on our frame. So we're going to slide this in, and I usually like to put these up as high as I can and up tight. While I do the zipper, I pinch the curtain, the isinglass between the palm of my hand and this pipe on the frame, and then of course the zipper goes in, and the higher it is, the easier it is to get it to line up. Now we leave the tails on these zippers long, so it's easier to get them started. Once it's started, pull it tight in the back. Use your four fingers to pull the flap down while you zip it to try not to pinch into fabric. It's a little bit snug, and it goes in nice and tight. Pull it down snug. That's the first panel. It's the hardest panel. The next panel is the big one on the side, and again, still has the welting and all this on the end. You want to keep these nice and tight and crisp as long as you can. So usually here I'll slide in the back, because up front we have this other track. If I try to slide it in there, it's going to be jamming up and getting it all fuzzy. So come in the back side with the curtain hanging, slide it in nice and loose. Again, there's a zipper on the bottom, just like we did on that triangle there. So we're going to take that off, slide this in the front, nice and easy. Got the long tang again, so it's easy to get the zipper started. Snug it in, pull it tight. There we go. Now, you saw this track up here, and so we want to move this whole panel aft just a little bit, because our next panel up front, Bobby will slide by you and grab this panel again. We put the stuff out in the sun because the heat's going to help warm it. Let's the acrylic and everything get a little looser, a little more pliable. So, biggest panel goes to the main side curtain, and it's got 3 tracks on the top, and you can see the shape here fits up into the trunk that we got for the Sure Shade cylinders are in here, so we had to build around it. Again, you want to be gentle when you put it in. Always, that's our almost quitting time bell for the guys in the shop. You can see how this all feeds together, and there's a real small one here that goes up last. Now, this curtain also has a zipper right here that you can take off to put in that track. And if you got cold weather or these are a little stiff, you might want to take that zipper off. Today it's warm out, it's real pliable, so I'm going to just feed this whole curtain in here. Again, careful to feed it in, and then down it goes. Now of course back here, I'm not going to lock Bobby out, but there's a zipper here that connects these 2 panels, and you can see it's got a long tang at the top again for us to be able to get a nice pull on it. Good strong zipper attachment, so you're not going to pull these zippers out. Same thing on this side. And then of course, when you are fishing, you got these clips here that just clip in right here above the combing pads. Hold it tight. And when these zippers are installed, this panel is so tight, it's not loose, it's not wavy. You don't get any distortion through this. It's like just looking through your glass. So excellent installation. We partner with some guys local. We're proud of this. This is a great option for you guys running long distances offshore. Weather turns on you, keeps you warm, keeps you dry no matter what the sea conditions are. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.